Hi, this is Lynn of Lynn and C, and I finally got everything I needed to shoot my videos with my Insta360 One X camera. I got my SD card, I got my iPad, and I'm coming to you from Bayou Castine where I live. I'm going to try to shoot some videos from my bucket list as I promised. And I'm going to go down a little bit further from where I live, but this is Bayou Castine. And so, look out, here I come. Okay, so I've got to kind of hurry because it's starting to rain again. Always rains almost continually on the bayou, but my camera is not waterproof. So I'm going to jack it up on this selfie stick so it looks like a drone as I enter the St. Tammany Trace, which is one of my favorite places to hike. So here I go. Okay guys, so that's a little bit of how I use the selfie stick fully extended at 46 inches, and that's going to be about it for right this second. I'm going to show some of the other features in a little bit. Thank you. Bye-bye.